listen up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into a world of flavors, a symphony of textures, a culinary delight for your taste buds. We're talking about the top 5 most favorite healthy smoothies, perfect for kickstarting your day or giving you a refreshing boost anytime you need it. Buckle up everyone and let's get blending. First up, the classic, the legend, the iconic strawberry banana smoothie. This is where it all begins, the foundation of your smoothie education. We've got fresh, ripe strawberries bursting with sweetness, and bananas, creamy and smooth, ready to bring that velvety texture. Don't even think about using frozen strawberries, you hear me? Fresh is the only way to go. Get those strawberries hulled and chopped, and slice those bananas like you mean it. No messing about. Now, into the blender they go, along with a good splash of your preferred milk. Almond milk for a nutty twist, oat milk for a creamy dream, or good old-fashioned cow's milk if you're feeling traditional. It's your smoothie, you decide. Blitz it up until it's silky smooth. No chunks, no bits, just pure, unadulterated strawberry banana bliss. Now grab a glass and pour this glorious concoction, admiring its vibrant pink hue. Finally, a touch of finesse. A single, perfectly sliced strawberry perched on the rim, a nod to the star of the show. There you have it, the classic strawberry banana smoothie. Simple, elegant, delicious. Now drink it. Next up, we're going green, and I don't mean with envy. This is the Green Detox Smoothie, a vibrant concoction that'll cleanse your palate and wake up your senses. We're talking spinach, packed with iron and vitamins, cucumber, cool and refreshing, a squeeze of lime for a tangy kick, and a knob of ginger because we're not afraid of a bit of spice. No soggy leaves, you hear me? Spinach needs to be fresh and crisp. Wash it thoroughly. You don't want any gritty surprises in your smoothie. Same goes for the cucumber. Peel it, chop it, and get it ready for action. Lime, juiced and ready to go. Ginger, peeled and grated, because we're not messing about. Now everything into the blender, along with a good glug of water or coconut water for a touch of sweetness. Blitz it, blend it, pulverize it, until it's smooth and vibrant green. This is the color of health, people, the color of vitality. Pour it into a tall glass and garnish with a thin slice of cucumber just to show you mean business. The Green Detox Smoothie. A blast of freshness that'll leave you feeling revitalized and ready to conquer the day. Now drink it, you won't regret it. Right, let's turn up the heat and transport ourselves to a tropical paradise with the mango pineapple smoothie. This is sunshine in a glass, a taste of the exotic, a symphony of sweetness. Mango, the king of fruits, ripe and juicy, bursting with flavor. Pineapple, tangy and sweet, adding a touch of zing, and a splash of orange juice just to amplify those tropical vibes. Get those mangoes peeled and chopped, no messing about with stringy bits. Pineapple, cored and chopped, we don't want any tough bits ruining our smooth texture. And the orange juice, freshly squeezed, none of that bottled nonsense. Everything into the blender, and blitz it up until it's smooth and creamy, like a tropical sunset. This is the taste of paradise, people. The taste of pure indulgence. Pour it into a hurricane glass if you're feeling fancy, or a good old-fashioned tumbler if you're keeping it real. And for the final touch, a wedge of pineapple perched on the rim, a salute to the tropics. The tropical mango pineapple smoothie, a taste of paradise that'll transport you to a beachside hammock. Now, drink it, and imagine the waves lapping at your feet. Now, for a berry-licious explosion of flavor, we're diving into the Berry Blast Smoothie. This is a celebration of all things berry, a riot of colors, a symphony of sweetness and tartness. We've got strawberries, vibrant and sweet, blueberries bursting with antioxidants, raspberries, tart and tangy, and blackberries adding a touch of earthy sweetness. This is a berry party in your mouth. Strawberries, hulled and chopped because we're all about that fresh flavor. Blueberries, rinsed and ready to go. Raspberries, delicate and plump, handle with care. And blackberries, juicy and bursting with flavor. Now into the blender they go, along with a splash of your preferred milk. Almond milk for a nutty twist, oat milk for a creamy dream, or good old-fashioned cow's milk if you're feeling traditional. It's your smoothie, you decide. Blitz it up until it's smooth and vibrant, a kaleidoscope of berry goodness. This is the taste of summer, people, the taste of pure joy. Pour it into a tall glass and garnish with a handful of whole berries, a colorful crown for this berry-licious masterpiece. The Berry Blast Smoothie, a celebration of all things berry. Now drink it and let the berry-liciousness wash over you. Finally, we're finishing with a classic, A comfort food in a glass, the peanut butter banana smoothie. This is a creamy, nutty dream, a symphony of textures, a taste of pure indulgence. We've got bananas, ripe and sweet, the foundation of our creamy base. Peanut butter, smooth and nutty, adding richness and depth. A splash of milk for extra creaminess. And a touch of honey for sweetness. Bananas, peeled and sliced, ready to be blended into oblivion. Peanut butter, smooth and creamy, the good stuff, none of that crunchy nonsense. Milk, your choice, almond, oat, or cow's, it's your smoothie. And honey, just a drizzle for that extra touch of sweetness. Everything into the blender and blitz it up until it's smooth and creamy, like a peanut butter dream. This is the taste of pure comfort, people, the taste of childhood memories. Pour it into a tall glass and garnish with a slice of banana, a nod to the star of the show. The peanut butter banana smoothie, a creamy, nutty delight that'll leave you feeling satisfied and content. Now drink it and let the creamy goodness wash over you. Well, there you have it, you lot. 5 fantastic smoothies to kickstart your day or give you a refreshing boost anytime you need it. From the classic strawberry banana to the vibrant green detox, the tropical mango pineapple, the berrylicious berry blast, and the creamy peanut butter banana, there's a smoothie for every palate and every occasion. Remember, fresh ingredients are key, and don't be afraid to experiment with different flavors and combinations. Now get out there and blend up a storm. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next culinary adventure. Next time, we'll be tackling something a bit more challenging, a bit more meaty. Stay tuned.